Avodah Zarah, לפני, אידיהן, Mishnah Daf Yudalid, sponsored Refuah Shlema for Shania Bas Kreindl. This Mishnah discusses items always suspect as purchased for an idolatrous purpose, prohibited for sale to an idolater. Number one, it's stroblin, either an acorn or pine cone. Number two, beno shuach, white figs that ripen in 3 years. This and the previous one is prohibited only if the stem is still attached to the fruit, so it can be hung in front of an idol. This is referred to as ptotros. Number three, levona. Gemara explains refers to pure frankincense. These 3 items are permitted to sell as a bundle, the weight of a manna. Such a quantity will be sold by the idolater for a profit and not used by him for idolatrous purposes. Although the customer may purchase a smaller quantity to be used for idolatry, the Jewish wholesaler is not liable for lifnei iver to such an extent. Number 4, tarnagol lavan. Tanakam holds he cannot sell a white rooster even among other roosters. Rabbi Yehuda holds it is permitted among other roosters. However, if he sells it separately, he must maim it at least by cutting off its toe. Rabbi Yonah explains in the Gemara it refers to an idolater who requests a white rooster. However, if he requests simply a rooster, a Jew can sell him even a white one. Question. Our Mishnah states Rabbi Yehuda permits selling a white one among other roosters. This must refer to a request for a rooster, because a request for a white one would be prohibited even among others. Despite this, the Tanakama prohibits such a sale, and Rabbi Yehuda permits it only among others, unlike the opinion of Rabbi Yonah. The answer. Rabbi Yonah explains the Mishnah's case as an idolater requested a white rooster and some other colored rooster. Tanakama holds once he requests the white rooster, the Jew must suspect he will use it for idolatrous purposes. Rabbi Yehuda holds he can sell him a white one among other roosters. However, if he did not specify a color, the Jew can sell him even a white one. If his son is preparing a social banquet with friends, or someone in his household is ill, even if he specifies white, the Jew may sell it to him. Question. Our Mishnah states concerning all other items, staman mutter uperushan aser. For a non-specific request, it is permitted for a Jew to sell. An item requested for an idolatrous purpose, a Jew is prohibited to sell. A non-specific request is, for example, wheat. A specific request is white wheat. Therefore, the more stringent rooster is prohibited even for a non-specific request, unlike the opinion of Rabbi Yonah. The answer. A specific request of wheat is where he states he is purchasing it for an idolatrous purpose. The Mishnah teaches a sale is prohibited. It is not assumed that he mentioned an idolatrous purpose just to receive a discount from the seller, who he assumed was devoted to the idol's worship as well. Question. An idolater requests a mutilated rooster. Can a Jew sell him one not mutilated? Perhaps the idolater is trying to deceive him. If this case is suspect, what is the law if he requests a white one and agrees to purchase other colors? Can he be sold a white one as well? Answer. These questions are unresolved. Rabbi Meir adds to these to the list of items always suspect. Number 5, dekel tov, high quality dates often offered to an idol. Number 6, chatzav, either dates or grass whose roots grow straight down, used by Yehoshua to mark the tribal borders and individual fields. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.